طول عمري شغالة في مدرسة ناشونال وعايزة أحول وأبقى شغالة مدرسة في مدرسة انترناشونال. عايز أعمل معاك انترفيو عشان أعرف أنا مؤهلة للكلام دوت ولا لأ. تعال نشوف. Nada, tell me about yourself, please.
Hello, Omar. My name is Nada. I'm an English teacher. I used to work in a national schools,
I used to work in national schools.
but now I really want just to start in a job.
Okay, very good. And how long have you been working in national schools for?
15 years.
Right, have you had any interview before in an international school?
Actually, no. I've never done an interview in international schools.
Okay, but why didn't you try that out? Why didn't you take the initiative to go and have an interview in an international school, as you might actually be accepted?
Okay, maybe I feel a little bit insecure.
I feel a little bit insecure.
I have great fear of rejection.
Of, not off.
And do you really like being a teacher?
Yes, being a teacher is really fun, especially because I'm dealing with young children. The love that they show me, really, really, I appreciate this love.
According to this conversation only, your English level is B1 and I am very happy to have a chat with you anyways. ما تنساش تشوف الانترفيو الكامل في البايو والكورسات الاونلاين ابعت لي مسج دلوقتي حالا.